Hi friends! Welcome to Color Buddies. Look what we have today. Another puzzle, but this time it's a character. Let's build our silly little friend together piece by piece. Let's begin with the face. This is where so many important parts go, like eyes, a nose, and a big happy smile. Perfect start! Let's add the body. Inside our belly and chest, we have important organs, like our stomach, lungs, and heart. Looks super soft and huggable. Hooray! Here come the arms. We use them to hug, wave hello, and reach cookies on the top shelf. Where do you think the arms should go? Give yourself a little clap. You're doing great. Now we add the legs. They help us stand, walk, run, and do silly dances. Can you find the right spot for the legs? Looking awesome! Here comes the hair. Hair grows on top of our heads. It helps keep us warm and protects our scalp from the sun. Isn't that cool? Looking great already! Time for the hands. Each hand has 5 fingers. We use them to draw, play, and hold hands with someone we love. Where do you think these little hands belong? High five, friend! And don't forget the feet. They help us balance and go on big adventures. Nice work! Time for the eyes. Eyes help us see the world around us. Colors, shapes, even dinosaurs. Let's pop them in. There you go. Here comes the nose. Where do you think the nose goes? It helps us smell yummy things, like cookies or flowers. Very good. It goes right between the eyes. And now, the eyebrows. They help us show feelings. Where should we put these little eyebrows? Amazing! Now let's give our friend a mouth. Can you help me find where the mouth should go? We use it to talk, eat, sing, and smile. Yes! The mouth goes just below the nose. Now let's add the dinosaur hood and tail. Roar! Our little friend is in costume now! So cool! We did it! We built our happy little character from head to tail, and we learned so much about our amazing bodies while having fun. You are amazing, puzzle hero! What puzzle should we build next? A robot? A princess? A spaceship made of bananas? Tell us what you'd love to put together next. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and come back for more. Color Buddies.